the ASUS ROG Strix G18. Imagine having an entire world of gaming at your fingertips. Every frame is silky smooth, every texture is razor sharp, and every enemy is brought to life with breathtaking realism. That's what this laptop delivers. A level of immersion that'll make you feel like you're right in the game itself. Now, I know what you're thinking. How does it get there? It starts with the powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 gaming laptop GPU. This beast of a card is packed with 16 GB DDR5 graphic memory and advanced technologies like DLSS and frame generation. What that means for you is stunningly smooth performance, even in the most demanding games. But what really sets this apart is how it makes you feel. You'll be able to focus on the game without distractions, thanks to a robust cooling system that keeps everything running smoothly. The Intel Ultra 9 275HX processor provides the brains behind the operation, up to 5.4 GHz performance, with 24 cores and 16 efficient cores working together like a well-oiled machine. And when you're done gaming, you can indulge in some serious creative work. With 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and 2 TB PCIe SSD, you'll have all the storage space you need to bring your ideas to life. The ROG intelligent cooling system ensures that everything stays cool under pressure, so you don't have to worry about your laptop overheating during those long, intense sessions. But what truly sets this apart is its stunning display. An 18-inch 2.5K Nebula screen with a 240 Hz refresh rate and 500 nits of peak brightness. This means that every frame looks crisp and detailed, even in the most fast-paced action scenes. And with Pantone validation guaranteeing professional-grade color accuracy, you can trust that your visuals will be spot on. Now, I know some of you might be thinking about the upgrades. If your laptop has been modified, you'll need to open up the original seal for it to be tested and inspected before any further work can begin. But trust me, this laptop is worth every penny. Even with the most aggressive modifications, it still delivers on its promises. The ASUS ROG Strix G18 is more than just a gaming laptop. It's an immersive experience waiting to happen. Whether you're in the midst of a heated gaming session or working on your next creative masterpiece, this laptop has got you covered. And with its unbeatable performance and stunning display, you'll be hooked from the very start. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to take your gaming and work to the next level. Check out the link below to get your hands on this incredible machine today.